Hello guys, I'm Mechanic Brian. Today I'm gonna show how to replace a 1.5 EcoBoost Escape BroncoSport EGR valve. EGR valve location back of the engine, and then some of the 25 model EGR valve failure recall. First you guys raise up on the hoist and then drain the coolant, and I usually drain the coolant, disconnect the transmission coolant line. That is much faster, easy to access it. Once you drain the coolant, now you're ready. Since 2024, EGR valve location is behind the engine. This one is electrical controlled EGR system. There's the three connectors: EGR control valve, differential pressure feedback sensor, and also EGR temperature sensor. You guys should disconnect these connectors and then put aside. EGR mounted to the cylinder head. There's a 4-mount bolt located behind the cylinder head. Access the 3/8 or 1/4-inch 8mm socket. You can access the behind the head and loose the outer bolt, and then remove EGR control valve. One of the recall Escape and BroncoSport 2025 EGR failure, it has a symptom of may have weak acceleration and an engine vibration, and no start condition, loss of power. Check engine light on. Once you guys remove whole assembly EGR valve, you guys should check the EGR valve pop-it. Pop-it means EGR valve end. If the broken off or does not sit properly, it may have symptom. Pop-it located at the bottom of the valve end. Some of the cases broken and then fell off the cylinder head. You guys checking the auto pop-it in position and to just replace an EGR valve. Some of engine coolant losing and it does not have any external leaking, and then some of bad EGR cooler and EGR assembly leaking internal engine. So you guys have a symptom. You should check an EGR condition and then replace the EGR valve whole assembly. Once the nothing problem, put it back to the new EGR valve and then tighten the bolt. Is a 93-inch pound, and then top up the coolant and then bleed the coolant in engine system, and then you guys good to go. Thank you for watching.